Hey guys, this is Arshan with Blockchain Wizard, and welcome to another brand new episode. Today we're gonna do a technical analysis on PPT or Populous. A lot of folks have been asking about Populous, and we're gonna talk about a little bit of this coin right now. In general, Populous is a really good coin from a technical and a fundamental perspective. From a fundamental standpoint, the coin is already active. In other words, the project is already has clients. They already have customers who already have transactions on their invoice based on that blockchain. So the blockchain technology invoicing system is already live. Coming from a software development environment in my past, and being a senior project manager or senior business development analyst, there are a few key stages of a project. You have ideation, you have initiation, you have development, you have testing, and then you have rollout, right? You have execution. So after you have development, there's a post-development process where there's a handful of people that try it out, and if there are some errors, some issues, some bugs, they recorrect it and redeploy again. That's how typical software development lifecycle works. So think of this coin and the project, right? This project has already rolled out, which means right now what they're doing is they're in post development, so they're probably fixing bugs if there are some. They're trying to make the user experience even better with the invoicing system that they have, and they're tapping into this traditional market that's worth over $3 trillion. So they're way ahead of the pack. They're way ahead of the game, and a lot of these projects that are in the market right now, they're in either ideation, or they're being initiated, or they're just being developed to the furthest, right? So just that fundamental perspective, that's just that fundamental backing of the project, is a very good coin. So that's probably something that I would look at when I invest money, because it is eventually your own money, and I'm not giving any financial advice, but we need to make sound decisions on how we're gonna support a project, and it's not just because it has short-term monetary gains, but it also is a fundamentally sound project that helps solve an issue. And that's what makes a successful project in my mind. Now, let's get into the technical analysis of this. First off, the coin has been going down for a little bit now. It's seen a little bit of decline, just a little bit in terms of the percentage. So if I can find this coin right now here, PPT, there we go. About 0.5%. Well, it's up a little bit, so that's good. It's below the 50-day moving average, which is not bad. It generally sticks to its 50-day moving average. We're seeing a lot of sell volumes here, so it might concern you a little bit. Looking at the MACD, we see the 12-day moving average sliding away from the 26-day, and it's starting to dip down a little bit. The momentum of this coin falling down is catching up, so it's not a very good sign. However, if we look at the bigger picture here, there was an initial drop of the prices from April 20th, I believe, and from then on, the momentum has slowed down and of the price dropping, and it has moved up. So there's still fundamentally good positive signs here. The RSI is starting it's at around 40. It might hit 30 or even go below 30, which suggests the coin's being oversold, and that would you probably get more investors coming in there. If we look at the MFI obviously low, just because there's less of a money flow. But if we look at this accumulation and distribution chart and the CMF chart here, a little bit of a concern is that the accumulation distribution trend line has fallen below its previous low. So if we were here previously, it has fallen below it. So my expectation is that this coin is going to fall below that. But we do have support here at this line right here, which is at 18.6 satoshis. So I expect the coin to find new support here, If not, worst comes to worst, it goes to it goes to its previous support levels here at around 16,800 satoshis, and then it starts moving up. The reason why I think this coin is going to go up is just because, again, the fundamentals are really, really there. It's very strong. It's a real working project amongst the very few that are actually out there in the market. So that's my thought process over here. I definitely take a close look at this coin. It's been flying under the radar for a long time. It's definitely undervalued. That's for sure. It's definitely undervalued, and I really expect this coin to go further up in the next coming months. So look out for this. That being said, that's my analysis on Populous or PPT. You can exchange the coin on Binance. If you like my video, please do support me. I have a Patreon page as well. Anything helps, and if you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, feel free to send it over to me, DM me, or put a comment, and I'll be more than happy to respond to it. So that's it for now, and until the next coin, which shouldn't be too long away. I'll probably do the next analysis I'll do is on Syscoin. I have some things to talk about over there on the Syscoin, so look forward to it. Thank you, guys.